Hey guys, what's going on? It's David here. Now let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever tried to build an online community, maybe on Facebook, Discord, or even through a course platform, but it just feels messy, disconnected, and honestly, not really yours? You don't control the platform, your audience gets distracted, and monetizing it? That becomes a whole different headache. Well, what if you could bring everything together? Your content, your audience, your courses, your events, all in one place that you actually own and control? That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before we jump into it, make sure you check out the link in the description below. I've put together a full written review of Communi, where I break down everything in detail, including all the OTOs, any available discount offers, the all-in-one bundle deal, plus some exclusive bonuses I've prepared for you. These bonuses cover different areas of digital marketing and are designed to help you get better results with Communi a lot faster. So if you're serious about using this the right way, definitely go check that out after watching this video. Alright, now let's talk about what Communi actually is. Communi is an all-in-one platform designed for creators and businesses who want to build, manage, and grow their own branded community, all from a single place. This is not just another chat tool, it's not just a course platform, and it's definitely not some basic membership plugin. Communi is a complete community ecosystem. It allows you to create your own branded space with your own domain, your own audience, and full control over how everything runs. Inside one platform, you can manage content, host events, create courses, engage your members, and even monetize your community without needing multiple tools stitched together. And what makes it even more interesting is that this is built for serious users, business builders, not just casual users. Plus, it comes with a one-time pricing on the front end with an optional accelerator upgrade if you want to scale even further. And the platform is already active, constantly updated, and backed by real users with real feedback. So, yeah, this is something worth taking a closer look at. Now let's dive deeper into how it works. 3 key advantages you may not get with monthly fee platforms. Communi was built around one idea. Your community belongs to you. Number 1. Monetize everything. Monetize everything. Sell access to your community, courses, and events, all in one place. Grow revenue faster without piling on extra platform costs. Number 2. Own your domain. Own your domain. Launch your community on your own domain, not buried inside another company's website. Build a brand that looks professional and earns trust. Number 3. Engage your way. Engage your way, build a community that lasts. Flexible tools to shape the experience, gamification, chat, courses, discussions, or a focused member journey. Build your community in 3 simple steps, from zero to a thriving, monetized community in minutes. Step 1. Create your community. Sign up, name your community, and customize it to match your brand, all in under 5 minutes. No tech skills needed. Set up in minutes, not days. Add your branding and custom domain. No coding or design skills required. Step 2. Share or sell access. Invite members for free or charge for access. It's up to you. Communi handles payments with 0% platform fees, so you keep every penny. Sell community, course and event access. 0% platform transaction fees. Free or paid, your choice. Step 3. Post, publish, and engage. Sign up, name your community, and customize it to match your brand, all in under 5 minutes. No tech skills needed. Post updates and start discussions. Publish lessons, courses, and certificates. Run live events and webinars, real-time chat and direct messages. If you grab the main product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus packages. Let me show you some of them in this video. Package 1. Create Brand and Profit Vault, a bonus package built to help you create content faster, brand your stuff professionally, and monetize smarter. Inside the vault, you'll get content plus video creation tools like Article Buddy Pro and Auto Video Creator, so you can produce articles and videos without getting stuck. For lead generation and selling, you're also getting Customer List Builder, plus training-style bonuses like Selling to the World and e-commerce fire sale to help you turn views and clicks into real sales. Then for branding and design, you'll have Logo Studio, 123 logo kit, and 300 logo templates, so you can put together a clean logo and consistent look in minutes. And to make your visuals instantly look more premium, you'll also receive a full set of creative assets, including HD video motion backgrounds, abstract image collection, graphics empire, whiteboard SVG graphics bundle, and miscellaneous stock photos, perfect for thumbnails, landing pages, and video scenes. Finally, if you plan to sell digital products, you'll love the Kindle e-cover pack plus graphics ever, 50 e-covers and headers, to make your offers look like paid products. And you've got a few extra creative tools too, like Vector Cartoon Package, Turbo GIF Animator, Facebook Timeline Cover, and Teespring Instant Cash for extra monetization angles. Package 2, the 2026 AI Moneymaker Bootcamp Vault. This bonus package is about one thing, helping you start earning online with AI. Inside, you're getting a stack of trainings like Create and Monetize Your Own AI Influencer and the Zero Product AI Income System. So even if you don't have your own product, you can still start generating income by promoting winning offers with AI doing the heavy lifting. You'll also get the YouTube Autopilot AI system, long-form content, to build a content engine that can grow views and monetization consistently, plus the PDF income machine and copy-to-cash digital product system if you want to create quick digital products and start selling. And for the higher income route, Build and Sell AI Automations shows you how to package simple AI systems for businesses and get paid for it, often on a monthly basis. You get multiple proven paths: influencer, affiliate, YouTube, PDFs, digital products, and automations, so you can choose the one that fits you and start moving fast. This video only showed part of what's included. There are even more bonuses waiting for you. Click the link in the description below to see the full breakdown.
Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something very special. When you grab this product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus package. These bonuses are carefully handpicked to help you in the areas that matter most: video creation, content generation, traffic growth, and SEO. I hope they can save you time, cut costs, and make your online journey smooth and successful. Let me walk you through some of the highlights, and I'll also show you short demos so you can see how powerful these tools really are. First up, AI Supreme, an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. With just a single login, you unlock more than 25 premium marketing apps, all under one roof. No installations, no complicated setup. For example, let's say you need a website. Inside AI Supreme, you'll find a Wix-style website builder that lets you design a professional site in minutes. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and your site is live. Or maybe you want to capture leads and sell offers. The funnel builder comes loaded with ready-made lead funnels, promo funnels, and even viral funnels you can customize instantly. Need content? The built-in AI writer does the heavy lifting. Just select your target language, choose the tone, give it a short description, and boom, you get ready-to-use content that sounds professional and natural. And my personal favorite, AI agents. Imagine having a team of professionals, writers, designers, coders, marketers, available 24/7, ready to complete any task you throw at them. That's exactly what AI Agents does. You can even create chatbots to engage with your audience automatically. Next is Goofy Shorts AI, perfect for short-form video creation. As you know, Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now, and this tool makes it super easy to tap into that traffic. All you do is choose your format, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reel, whiteboard explicable, or image-based video. Then Goofy Shorts AI creates your video in just a few clicks. Plus, you can generate AI-powered voiceovers directly inside the app, so you don't even need to record yourself. Once your video is ready, you can instantly share it across multiple platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Moving on, you'll also get Tubitraffic AI, which builds out a complete YouTube business for you. Here's how it works. Simply enter some keywords, and the software pulls up tons of relevant videos that are already proven to get views. From there, you can select the ones you want, and the tool automatically fills in video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized for traffic. You can customize the content however you like. And the best part? You can insert your own affiliate offers directly inside the videos. That means you're not just getting views, you're turning those views into commissions. Another incredible bonus is Super VA. Think of this as your ultimate virtual assistant powered by AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, designing graphics, or even coding, you can simply type in a prompt or use one of the pre-written ones, and Super VA will complete the task for you. It covers hundreds of marketing tasks with zero restrictions and zero setup. It's like hiring a full-time assistant team, but without the massive cost. You'll also get News Broadcasting Sites Builder. This one is perfect if you want to create passive income streams. With just a few clicks, you can launch fully automated news sites in virtually any niche: sports, travel, gaming, affiliate marketing, you name it. The software designs a professional website, generates fresh content with relevant images, and even updates itself automatically every day. So while you're busy doing your things, your news site is quietly attracting visitors and generating income in the background. And here's a huge one. You'll also get a library of over 500 premium done-for-you courses with master resale rights. You can totally use them to learn, turn them into your own products, or even resell them to kickstart your online biz. Topics cover marketing, business growth, traffic, social media, and much more, giving you a ready-made catalog of digital assets to profit from. Imagine adding these courses to your own funnel or selling them directly for instant cash flow. It's like starting your business with products already done for you. And these are just the main bonuses I wanted to highlight. On top of these, you'll also unlock many more special tools that I haven't even had time to show here. To check out the full list and claim your bonuses, just click the bonus link in the description below.
So that brings us to the end of this review. Now, before you make any decision, I strongly recommend checking out the full review linked in the description below. On that page, you'll get a complete walkthrough and demo of Communi, a full breakdown of the pricing and all OTOs including the bundle deal, plus an honest look at who this is really best suited for. On top of that, I've also included my exclusive bonus package, which is designed to support you across different areas of digital marketing like traffic, automation, content creation, and monetization. These bonuses are there to help you get more out of Communi and improve your overall results online, not just your community platform. So if you're serious about building an online business, getting more traffic, generating leads, or creating new income streams, go ahead and click that link in the description, check out the full review, watch the demos, and see if this is the right fit for you. Thanks again for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Are you paying every month just to keep your community running? School charges $99 a month, Circle charges $89 a month, and over time that adds up to thousands. Communi offers a different model. One payment for lifetime access, no recurring platform fees, no transaction fees, your own domain, your own brand, your own community. Nothing is rented because you own it. Now, if you're serious about building a community, don't build it on someone else's platform. Build one that's actually yours. Now with Communi, your community, courses, events, chat, payments, and branding are all live in one place. So instead of having to stitch together tools and stacking monthly subscriptions, you get one platform built to help you own the relationship with your members. Now Communi users have already created thousands of groups, processed hundreds of thousands in payments, and saved millions compared with monthly fee platforms. This is not just about spending less, it's about owning what you build. Your community lives on your domain, reflects your brand, and gives you the flexibility to shape the experience your way. Stop renting, start owning. Get lifetime access to Communi today. I'm Sam Backer, the founder of Communi, and I'll see you on the inside.
What I love about Communi is that it has everything you need to start your own groups, communities, courses, or whatever you want to offer. My name is Sabine Schmelzer and I'm on Communi since 2024. And I've seen the development of this tool. And it has everything you need to start your own programs. You have the discussion forum, you have courses, you have events and calendar, you can chat directly with members, you have automated welcoming messages, you can upload audio messages for your members, and it really has become a tool that is so helpful and user-friendly for the members. And that's the great thing about Communi. It is easy to use for members so that everybody understands it immediately. It also has gamification if you want to use it, but it's an option. You can also delete it. And there are so many new features that came up through the community who is helping to develop this tool. And that's the great thing about Communi. Sam Backer, the founder, really listens to the feature requests from the community. And therefore I can tell you it's a community tool that is developed by a community. I highly recommend it to my customers and clients and also recommend it to you if you are watching this video.
Do you know what? I absolutely love the Communi platform for this one particular reason. It's so easy, okay? Courses, my coaching, my events, my secret podcasts are in there. I've got a beautiful feed where I can connect with people. There's the email feature so I can put a post out, slide a button, and send it straight into their email inbox. What's that mean? Bigger open rates. I can be more personal with the guys in my community, and it's a much easier sales process for me and much easier for them. The customer journey is so much easier. So I highly recommend Communi for all of its features and also the fact that the founders are accessible. So if you've got something you want in it, you can send it to them and they will consider it for the timeline. There's lots of things that I've had an input in and I love it for that. I highly recommend you checking out Communi.